Did you know you can turn almost any wall in your house into a virtual shooting range? This is a shooting simulator in action. It turns a blank wall into an interactive setup for target practice or gaming. You can use this system with real firearms using laser training cartridges, along with other laser training devices, and even toys. Systems like these can be really expensive, so I built my own software to make a setup like this actually affordable. And once you have the software, the rest of the system's really simple. All you need is a projector to shine on a blank wall or a screen. Then we take a webcam and we aim it at that projected image. Now you just need something that shoots a laser. Even a $15 toy from AliExpress will work. When you fire a laser at the screen, the camera detects that laser's dot, and then the software registers where you hit. So you just need a projector, a webcam, something that shoots a laser, and then it all runs on a normal laptop or computer. So the hardware for these systems is actually pretty affordable. And if you're like me, you probably already have some of these components laying around the house already. But if the hardware is so affordable, then why aren't more people building these? I mean, I wanted to have a simulator from the first time I saw it at the gun show. But then when I actually started looking into them for the first time, the prices are like really expensive. Standalone systems like this can cost $10,000 or more. And even if you build the system yourself, the software alone can still run over $600. And the games aren't cheap either. Each one can add hundreds to the price tag. You want to shoot at some balloons? That'll be an extra $100. So I wanted a simulator, but there was no way I was paying $600 for it. I mean, I've bought used cars for less than that before. So I did what I always do when something's too expensive. I started building my own. You know, it's just the kind of person I am. I'll spend over a year learning how to program and build my own games so that I don't have to spend $600 for some software or $100 just to shoot some damn balloons. At first, I was just building this for myself. But then I realized there's got to be other people out there like me, people that want to shoot at stuff on their walls, but they don't want to spend so much money on software. And that's how this project evolved into Photon. Photon uses a projector and a webcam to turn any wall in your house into a virtual shooting range. And instead of having to buy $100 balloon games, Photon is designed to work with tons of games that already exist. You know, the kind of games you actually want to play. I use this system a lot for training, but I'm also a gamer at heart. And part of me knows that there's got to be some other people out there that want to play duck hunt with a real shotgun. So I'm building this for shooters and gamers alike. The goal is simple. Make shooting simulators simple and affordable enough that anyone can build one at home. I'm making these videos to show you what's possible, that you can actually build one of these systems yourself. Right now, the software's still evolving. It's a little rough around the edges, but I'm improving it as I go. I've kind of put a lot into building this, and now I'm trying to see if I can find other people who want to build something like this too. This channel is where I'll be testing that out. I'll be building new features, new games, even hardware, and sharing everything as I go. So if you want to see where this goes, follow along. And if you want to support it, well, that helps me keep building.
Hold left. God, that motherfucker.